NOAA produces monthly and seasonal forecasts that predict future climate conditions. John Gottschalk at NOAA's Climate Prediction Center describes these long-range forecasts.
When the user comes to the Climate Prediction Center long-range forecast website, they'll see a forecast map for temperature and precipitation for either the monthly or 3 months time period.
The seasonal and monthly outlooks show the probability that temperature or precipitation will be above, near, or below average compared to a 30-year period, currently 1981 to 2010. The colors on the map highlight the most likely category, but not the only possible outcome. Here's how to interpret a CPC seasonal outlook. The region over Texas has a greater than 50% chance of experiencing above average temperatures during this season. That also means that the chance of this region seeing below average temperatures decreases to less than 17%, with a chance of near average temperatures remaining at 1/3. Even though the forecast favors above average temperatures, there's still a distinct chance for near average and below average conditions to occur in that area, just at a lower probability. Deeper colors within the shaded areas denote higher probabilities and greater confidence for the categories shown on the map. White areas on the maps denote regions where all three categories are equally likely. This forecast is called equal chances and means that there is a 1/3 probability of above, near, or below average conditions occurring.
A climate forecast is not a weather forecast. These are forecasts for the most favored category of average conditions over a given time period, as opposed to a weather forecast, which is more deterministic or more focused on a shorter time period and more fine scale.
To read and interpret long-range forecast maps correctly, it's important to understand the concept of probability. That's a different way of interpreting maps for most people, but once you get the hang of it, you'll make better decisions in the long run. From the Climate Prediction Center, I'm Ned Gardner.